Hello, once again myself Ashish Jain in recording of transaction second accountancy NCERT book question number 7. It is there, you can see in page number 154. So cash in hand 7,500, bank overdraft 3,500, wages paid it is 200 rupees, cash sales it is 7,000 rupees, and cash deposit into bank 4,000. This will be a contra entry. Goods purchased and paid by check 2,000 rupees, and after then paid rent 500 rupees, drawn salary from bank for personal use, salary paid 1,000 rupees. So these are some of the main points in which they are being mentioned. Now we will observe here in this solution. First of all, we will write the heading double column cash book, debit, credit, cash, date, particulars, JF, cash and bank. So to balance brought down, it's been have to mention here 7,500 it's been there, balance brought down, क्योंकि this has been, and bank overdraft also it written. So overdraft balance brought down will be in 3,500 in bank side. Okay, then after it's written next point cash sales. So cash sales 7,000 we got received, so 7,000 will come here direct. Paid wages 200 rupees, so will come this side here. On 10th cash deposit into bank, so to cash will be increase of bank 4,000, and by bank will be decrease of cash from cash side. After then purchase good and paid by check, so we will mention it 2,000 rupees. So by purchase it will come, by purchase 2,000 rupees. Then paid rent 500 rupees, so 500 rupees this. Drawn from bank for personal use 400 rupees, so minus from bank. By salary, paid salary 1,000 rupees, by cash so 1,000, cash will decrease. So these were the points. Now we will do the total. 7,000 plus 7,000 14,500, minus 4 plus 2 4,700, 5,700, so it will be 8,800 rupees, and this side it is 5,900 minus 3,500, 5,500 and 5,900. So in this side credit side is balance is more comparing to this side, so balance will come in this question. Please see it here, very important. 1,900, because 4,000 is less, 5,900, 1,900 will be the bank balance this side. So to balance brought down on cash we will write 8,800 debit side, and to buy balance brought down 1,900 on credit side. Okay, thank you, hope so you understand. In this question I want to tell the bank and cash columns are different because the balance are coming in different side. Cash balance is debit side and bank balance is coming on credit side. Thank you, sir.